In this video, I'm going to show you how to use progress invoicing in QuickBooks Online. So before we do that, let's head on to the settings first to enable progress invoicing. So click on the settings icon and head on over to account and settings. And then after that, head on over to the sales tab and scroll down and find the progress invoicing button where you can turn it on. For me, it's already turned on, so just turn it on and click on save, and let's head on to the progress invoice. So before we use progress invoicing, we need to have an open estimate first for our customer. So let's just make a quick estimate for our customer. So for our customer is George, and we have the service date at March 7, and just select a services and the rate and the amount. So once we've created the estimate, just save and send, and it will automatically send it to our customer. So now to use progress invoicing, head on over to invoice and select the customer that we want to use the estimate on. So as earlier we used George. Now you will see the estimates that are available for this customer. So we've created this estimate earlier. Just add it, and you can select the total of all estimates, or you can click if you want to have 50% of each of the estimates. So for me, let's just put in the total and just click copy to invoice, and it will automatically copy to our invoice. So now after that, you will see that this is the balance of the invoice, and just click on save and send, and that's about it. That's how to use progress invoicing in QuickBooks Online. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll do my best to help you out.